Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect Digest, and what you see here are the dual dynamic driver Bluetooth in-ear headphones from One More, and these have been recently introduced officially by One More in India. And the MRP, as you can see, is 7499, and they are selling it under promotion for around 5,000 rupees, which is a good discount. So, in this video, I'm going to unbox this and show you how it looks and feels, and also give you my impressions after a quick audio test of the same. So this is essentially an unboxing and first impressions of these headphones, and we have tested many other earphones and headphones from One More, and these are the dual driver Bluetooth. It comes in two colors, so we have the pink color here. There's black and pink, so it comes in two different colors, and this is how it looks. It's not so subtle and it's quite shiny pink, and this is how the packaging is. It opens up like this, and then you lift up this part. In fact, there's a seal here, so let me cut through it. So this plastic comes out, and this gives access to the earphones. I can just lift it from here. There's this plastic section at the bottom. I can just pull down. The packaging is also quite interesting, and this is how they look. This is the rubber material band, soft band, flexible band, and these are two cylindrical ends of the band, and on one side you get the volume control, the power control, and this flap looks like the charging flap, and on the other side there is nothing but One More branding. This is the right hand side, and I'm assuming one of these would be hiding a large battery somewhere in there. And this is the button that you see here is multifunction. It also has play, pause, as well as a phone, plus this is the volume as well as the track control button. As you can see, it says forward and backward. So I'll just keep this to the side for the moment, and before that let me show the ear tip design. Very important. These are slightly angled. It has dual driver, so it's slightly large as well, but these are fairly small. Let's see what else is included in the box. So as this side of the drawing says, there must be some extra ear tips and accessories bundled. So here is this accessory box. So this one also comes with a tape or a seal. So let's cut through the seal. And we're finally inside this, and here you have a host of different accessories. So first thing is this pouch. This is nice. It's a soft plastic pouch, sort of translucent, and it has these threads at the end which you can pull, and you can lock it and just pull it to unlock this. And then there are some documentations which includes a thick user guide which tells you everything about the earphones, and then you have the One More stickers, this catalog of a few more products that they have, and then you have this flat anti-tangle cable for charging. This is a USB to micro USB, and these are the extra earbuds or ear tips that you get with this. So you have two more sizes available here. So one size is already installed and two sizes are available here. That's all in the box. Let me get back after setting up the earphones quickly. So we are back after pairing it and playing some music through it and having a quick experience of it. First things first, I don't like the color personally. I would never buy a pink. I would rather pick up a black. So this is not to my taste, but I'm sure women would love this, so I would rather gift it to some women or some friends or someone in the family. Second thing, they are extremely comfortable. These silicone tips are very comfortable. These are the ones that came fitted, and I prefer putting the smaller ear cups in, but these are fine. These rubber part at the back, it creates a good seal around the ear, and this one goes into the ear canal and gives you a good seal. This material is silicone and is quite soft to touch. This earphones gives you around 6 hours of music playback. The controls are easily accessible. You can see the LED light here. This is the status LED. It has the microphone which stays near your collar or near your ear, near your face. So when you speak, when you talk on this using your phone, or when you take a phone call with this, it's gonna be very clear. Plus, talking about music, so my 2 cents about it. It's decently loud, in fact quite loud. I have to keep it at 50 to 60% volume to hear it properly. Beyond that it becomes slightly uncomfortable, so it's really loud. If you love loud music, you would probably love it. The sound signature is very impressive. It's one of the better ones. It is not too bass heavy. It does not overwhelm you with bass. It gives you good instrument separation, so the clarity is really good. So I like the way it sounds. The trebles and the bass, everything is quite clean. The advantage of having dual drivers, one for bass and one for treble, is quite evident here, and these are definitely good when it comes to listening to music. If you are into instrumental music, I've listened to different type of music from this, some retro, some classic, some guitar, some instrumental, and a mix of a few tracks, and I really like the way these tracks sound on these earphones. So I have no complaints when it comes to music. This pinkish color is too much for me, but the design is good. The black ones would definitely be my choice if I have to pick a pair of these. At around 5 to 7,000 rupees, they are slightly pricey. You can pick up OnePlus Bullet wireless. They sound equally good, but they are not as beautiful looking as these are, but they sound equally good. So you can pick up those as well, and they are priced less. But these definitely have the advantage of having the instrument separation, and they are really good in their own category. So a thumbs up from us if you want to pick up them. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section. Make sure you pick the pink color only if you love pink, else go for the black one, which is much more elegant. This is all we have on this video. Stay subscribed for more. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.